Imagine a global famine lasting 7 years. Supply chains collapse, crops fail, savings disappear, while grocery prices continue to climb, and experts warn of intensifying economic risks and food security threats. One man in ancient Egypt saw the collapse coming and rewrote the rules of ownership forever. Continue watching till the end of this video and you'll never read Genesis 41 the same. This isn't modern economics. It's Genesis 41 verse 47. Joseph is often remembered as the dreamer, the prisoner, the forgiver, but history also records him as the architect of one of the most centralized economic restructurings in the ancient world. The question isn't whether it worked. It did. The question is, what kind of system did it create? Pharaoh dreams of 7 fat cows and 7 thin cows. Joseph interprets 7 years of abundance, 7 years of famine. Notice something crucial. The crisis was revealed before it arrived. Joseph's solution is administrative, not miraculous. Let Pharaoh appoint commissioners. Collect 1/5 of the harvest. Genesis 41 verse 34. 20% taxation during abundance, stored under state supervision, distributed during collapse. This is preemptive economic stabilization. Strategic reserves, centralized storage, government oversight. It's not mystical, it's policy. And it saves Egypt. Here's where it gets fascinating. When famine strikes, people buy grain with money. When money runs out, they trade livestock. When livestock is gone, they surrender land. Finally, they sell themselves into servitude. Genesis 47 verse 20 says, "So Joseph bought all the land of Egypt for Pharaoh." By the end of the famine, Pharaoh owns the land. The people become tenant farmers. That same 20% tax becomes permanent. Egypt moves from a mixed economy to Pharaoh owning virtually everything. And the people say, "You have saved our lives," Genesis 47 verse 25. That's important. They weren't conquered. They consented. Pause for a second. Would you have sold your house for bread? We need theological balance here. Joseph is never condemned in the text. In fact, he is portrayed as wise and spirit-led. The famine would have destroyed Egypt. Centralization preserved life. But Genesis also plants narrative tension. Generations later, this same centralized structure makes Israel's enslavement administratively simple. Exodus 1 opens with a Pharaoh who did not know Joseph. But he inherited Joseph's system, a system where the state already controlled virtually everything. Scripture does not say Joseph caused the oppression, but it does show how power structures outlive righteous leaders. That's the deeper lesson. History shows a consistent pattern. During crisis, people trade autonomy for stability. Notice the pattern. Crisis, emergency measure, gives temporary, becomes permanent tax plus ownership structure. Egypt never went back. History shows the same cycle in every empire since. Genesis 47 shows emergency measures, asset consolidation, permanent taxation, restructuring, not through tyranny but through famine. The Bible is not anti-government. Romans 13 affirms authority. But Scripture repeatedly warns that centralized power must remain accountable to God. The issue is not structure. The issue is the heart behind the structure. Joseph's wisdom began long before the famine. He stored during abundance. He prepared before panic. That principle transcends economics. Are we spiritually storing during seasons of ease? Are we building resilience before crisis? Translate that today. While times are still relatively good, what are you storing right now? Scripture memory, deep relationships, practical skills, financial buffers, personal integrity. Because when famine hits, whether financial, cultural, or spiritual, preparation determines stability. Joseph's strategy saved a nation, but it also reminds us, systems can preserve life. Only God preserves freedom. If this study helped you see Genesis with fresh eyes, subscribe for more deep biblical investigations into history, economics, and power. Next time we'll continue examining how ancient decisions still shape modern systems. Stay watchful, stay grounded, and remember wisdom prepares before the storm.